It's been a bit of a long one, this one. It's definitely here somewhere. The minute the pin is telling us it's on either side, so it's gonna be a bit of a trek, this one. Somehow, guys, he's just told me that we're gonna have to jump that, but I don't think it's a good idea. It's quite dodgy, this. I was already falling into a bit of a lake. I wish I had my camera on, but I didn't. What's easier here? Here we go. Oh shoot.
They popped out right next to it.
Oh wow.
Unless that's another one.
Might be. That's on someone's house though, dude.
Well, it looks really cool and I want to go in, so I think I'm going to go in.
Huh?
I think I'm going to go in and have a nosy.
Okay. Well, might as well while we're here. Oh dear.
Section here. So hold my camera, there's no cattle in the field, so I think we'll be alright for a minute.
Jesus.
Look at this, guys.
Wow.
Right, get move on then.
Hold that then.
Something in the ground here.
Have a look at this.
Go see what's inside. Could be flooded.
It could be.
Really low down this one.
Could be just. Huh?
Definitely go in there and have a look, pal.
I'm going in. Oh, I'll get my light on. Okay. Oh wow, yeah, I see what he means. Holy crap. Look how deep that is. Wow. I'm gonna make X, guys, because it's like disrespectful on actually doing this on someone's backyard. So just smash my head as well. So guys, that was the bunker on that one. I mean, it was okay. It wasn't one of the best ones that we could get into, really, was it?
No, but it's different though. They're all different.
It's different, it was good, but I just didn't like the fact that we're someone's backyard, but you know, it's what comes with what we do out here. So we're gonna push on, hopefully find some new ones.